And then there were some guy was like, okay, what about I have one apple and you give two apples to me. Two apples to me. So how many apples do I have in total? And the guy was like, I don't know, man. Let's calculate. Because they started with this, like -1, -2. We already have seen it in the previous lecture. And the guy was like, okay, brother, I get what you said, but let's calculate it together because we just came up with this. I have one apple and you give me two. What's going on? I don't know. I don't understand. So we need that line thing. So he was like, I am already here because I have one apple. Okay. You are giving me apples. So you give me one, you give me two. Where I am three. So that's why we are saying that one plus two is three. What it means essentially it means that this plus means giving no getting apple, getting new apple. Plus means getting new apple. And on this on this line, on this line, we are going to go to right, right? Because I'm getting new apples, it's getting better, everything is positive, so I'm going to the positive side. I have one apple, I went one side, I went two side, that's why I have three. So what if you have one apple, but I am taking away? What's taken away? Taken away is a bad thing. Bad thing is a negative thing, okay? I'm taking away three apples from you. So you are here because you had one apple. This was one apple point. You are here. I am taken away. Taken away is a bad thing. Bad thing meaning negative thing. So I'm gonna go to negative side. I'm taking away three apples. I took away one. I took away two. I took away three. So I am here. So it means one minus three is equal to -2. That's why 1 minus 3 is -2. Very good, very smart guys. Then they were like, brother, I have a question for you. The question is, I had two apples today. Today I had two apples. Tomorrow I will have another two apples. Tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow, I will have another two apples. Next day, next day, I will have another two apples. Next day, I will have another two apples. Next day, I will have another two apples, blah, blah, blah. And the guy was asking, how many apples will I have after 10 days, let's say? Or 10 days is a lot because they were caveman. It was very hard to do these calculations for them. So he said that how many apples I'll have after, I don't know, after a week. They know what the week is, right? Because they are not stupid. They are just a caveman. Week was 7 days. So they're like, how many apples I will have after 7 days? And he was like, okay, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 2, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 2, 12, plus 2, 14. And he was like, okay, you will have 14 apples. And the guy was like, brother, we are writing into the stone. It's very hard to write those things. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 7 times. My hand is getting very, very tired. It's very hard for me. Can you come up with a new sign instead of writing? I'm writing the same thing, right? I'm writing the same thing. Two, 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 two. Instead of writing this many time, can you come up with a new idea? And one smart caveman, his name was Dave. Dave came up with an idea. Dave said that instead of writing these twos, right, 7 times, you are writing 7 times, right? You see, seven, there are seven twos. Instead of writing those two 7 times, just write 2 and 7. And I was like, well, brother, this looks like 27. And they were like, yeah, man, we gotta fix this. And Dave fixed it with this sign. Okay. And then there was Michael. Michael said that I think we can use this one as well. And they came up, they decided uh to respect Dave and Michael, both of them. So they sometimes they notated it as this. So it means that I am adding two 7 times, or this. They are exactly the same things. Both of them means that adding two, I'm adding twos 7 times. I am adding twos 7 times. And then they were some other guy. His name was she was a girl, so her name was Solmas. And Solmas came up another idea. Solmas says that maybe 2 times 7, like I am adding twos 7 times. Guys, do you think that it should be the same thing as adding sevens 2 times? And they were like, why the hell is that happening? And she was like, Brada, what you did, you were like two, 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 two. You calculated it, you concluded that it's equal to 14. I did this yesterday. I just added two sevens instead of seven twos. And I concluded that that's also equal to 14. So they were like, what the hell are you talking about, Solmaz? That makes perfect sense. Then they came up with an idea that 2 times 7 is the exactly same thing as 7 times 2. Thanks to Solmaz for this discovery.